Hi, my name is Elena and welcome to my lecture. Today I'm going to be teaching you about the chemistry of the drug Krokodil. So for some background on the drug Krokodil, it's a super harmful drug that gets its name from, you already know, a crocodile. The drug causes your skin to develop gangrene and makes your skin look like it has scales, like a crocodile. So today I'm not going to be teaching you about the chemistry of the toxicity within the drug that affects your skin, but rather how that drug affects your brain. So to begin, Krokodil tempers with the brain's ability to function. It can affect a person's self-stimulation, sense of euphoria, and all aspects of sense perception. Krokodil produces dysphoria because it develops the hallucinations and illustrates the fact that drugs can really mess with a person's mind. Overall, Krokodil interacts with the brain and body to ultimately alter a user's mood, behavior, and emotion, all by changing how the world is interpreted by altering the brain's chemistry. Throughout researching many classes of drugs, such as opioids, methamphetamine, all of that, because it's a big world and we all know there's plenty of drugs out there, it's clear that dopamine plays a major role in the mediation of drug reinforcement, and it's likely that one or more neuropeptides also may be involved in producing drug-induced euphoria. A neuropeptide is any of a group of compounds that act as transmitters to the brain, proving that Krokodil also affects the brain's ability to react with transmitters, which will overall affect how the person taking Krokodil acts and how they interpret things, which isn't good, obviously. So as mentioned before, using drugs regularly, especially hardcore drugs such as Krokodil, it has a potentially fatal amount of destruction with the brain. On the magnitude of reflex facilitation, it's explained by having a blockage in the parts of the brain that contribute to muscle reactions, the blockage being, of course, Krokodil. When drugs are taken, it has a serious effect on the brain and can cause neurons in the brain to interact with each other. It causes problems in reflexes and can cause a person to have hallucinations. So, for example, here's your brain not on drugs. You can have decision-making, good thoughts, you're happy, you're content. And then when you take drugs, especially Krokodil, all these little sense receptors and transmitters are cut off. So you can't have good decision-making, you don't have good thoughts, your happiness is gone unless you have that drug. So, take Krokodil and here's your brain in shambles. Overall, dopamine and serotonin are two serious chemicals involved in Krokodil. Dopamine is what's known to make a person happy, and serotonin regulates a mood. So not only does the opioids in Krokodil elicit feelings of euphoria, heightened mental awareness, and feelings of energy, but it also contributes to having an alarming potential of people abusing the drug. So don't do drugs. Thanks for listening to my lecture. Here's my bibliography, and you are dismissed.